Hi viewers. Small stones start to become out from driveway, so it is kind of signal to seal driveway. There are few things need to be taken care before seal the driveway. In my case, grass was overlapping on the driveway, so I start to clear the grass. After clear out the grass, there are small bushes coming out from the sides as well, so I am clearing those. I taken care of the grass and the weed. I am using pressure washer to clear any dust and the soil. Once I will done clearing out soil and dust, I will let it dry. You can't seal driveway in a winter. It is recommended to do on very hot day. Driveway is completely dried. Now I will use the sealer. Sealer come in different qualities. You can the sealer which will last only for 3 years, 7 years and 10 years. Sealer which I am using, it is good for 7 years. For mixing, either you can use a wood or a mixer, but it is convenient for me to use a wood. After properly mixing, pour it on the driveway and spread equally. You can buy this tool from Lowe's, Home Depot or any local store. I also provided the link for the Amazon in the description as well. It has two sides, one has a rubber and the other side has a brush. You can use either of them. I have applied the seal coat on the driveway and I will give 24 hours to completely dry. If this video helped you, do not forget to give a like. Until the next video, goodbye.